I would like to introduce Daniel Birnbaum, who transformed SodaStream into one of the world's most recognized consumer brands and largely created a new consumer category of home-prepared sparkling beverages. He took the helm of SodaStream in 2007 at 24 cents a share, listed on NASDAQ 10 years later at $20 a share, and ultimately sold it to PepsiCo at $144 for US $3.2 billion in 2018. So it'd be an understatement to say that Daniel delivered to his shareholders dramatic returns, and we're very excited that he has chosen to join our company. Daniel, thank you for joining us. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Robert. You know, in recent years after SodaStream, I was not looking actively to join just any company, and opportunities came my way from time to time. But when I choose to become involved with a company, I ask myself a simple question. Is there something here that can truly change the world? Can it make a big difference? And can I personally contribute to making that something truly remarkable? So I received a cold call one day about 6 months ago from Adi Oleskar, who's Beyond Oil's investor relations lead in Israel. Now, I never met Adi. I don't know how he got my phone number. And he introduced himself, and without mincing words, he simply asked me a favor to come and see something in a restaurant. That's it. So I figured, what the heck, worst case, it sounds like a free lunch, I'll go. I did it. I was shocked by what I saw at that restaurant. I'm blown away, and I still am. I saw a product, which is basically a powder, that almost instantly transformed the dark, burnt frying oil into clear, like new oil in the kitchen of that restaurant. From dark, burnt to clear in a minute. The folks showed me the measurements, the TPM of that oil before and after the treatment. They explained to me what that means. Now, I didn't know anything about TPM. I don't come from the oil industry, and I'm not a chemist. And for those of you who might not be into oil chemistry, TPM means total polar materials. That includes the oxidation products, the free fatty acids, and other bad stuff. And these are indicative of oil degradation that is due to repeated frying cycles, TPM. But more importantly, I've later seen internal research at Beyond Oil about the reduction in toxins. Robert mentioned them, specifically trans fats and acrylamide in restaurant oil data that simply blew me away. I'll make sure to share that research after it's scientifically concurred for publication and claim support. And I'm also making sure that I'm going to send that to CEOs of major restaurant chains and industrial frying companies around the world. So if ever I was looking for something that could change the world and really get me fired up, I found it in that restaurant. Bottom line, I agreed with enthusiasm to join the company as a board advisor to work closely with Jonathan. Our ambition is to bring Beyond Oil's revolution to the world and become the global leader for oil management systems, both industrial companies as well as restaurants. The size of the market is nearly infinite, and we're not positioned to upset or replace a specific competitor. We're not out for market share. We're bringing a solution to a problem that has no solution today, a need that is growing very quickly, and it's being reinforced by regulatory standards worldwide. Acrylamide and trans fats are being regulated, and we want them at zero. And Beyond Oil can do that, almost to the extreme. We're looking to launch a management system for oil, for frying oil, to keep it safe and healthy for repeated cycles, even weeks and hundreds of repeated frying cycles. This does not exist today. But when you build a new category, the journey is not only about selling. You need to educate the market, build trust, work with major customers. You need to work with regulators and governments. You need to create a new language. You need to help the world understand that there is a global problem, and now there's a solution. And that's what we intend to do. The challenge is significant, but so is the size of the prize. Now, as a relatively newcomer to the team, I've been impressed not only with the incredible potential of the product, but also with the quality of the people. I met a dynamic group of mavericks who are all excited and committed to working hard and delivering the revolution. A group of talent that combine experience from within the industry, as well as outsiders who bring new thinking to the conservative industry, but who share the determination and courage to disrupt and transform the way frying oil is managed around the world. So what started as a free lunch at a restaurant now became another life mission for me. Jonathan asked me to hop on this call just to share some of my thoughts about the company and my vision for its future. I hope this accurately tells my story, and I look forward with great anticipation to share our fantastic journey ahead. Back to you, Robert.
Thank you, Daniel. Success in America is unlike success anywhere else. And we know that in order for this company to create significant value for our investors, we must scale quickly in the US market. So since January of this year, we've announced 4 commercial deals, and we're now poised for significant scaling in the most important market in the world. And in order to do that, we know that we need people on our team who have done it before.